Chicken wings for dinner.
Oh, thank you, baby. They look delicious.
You're welcome.
So today we have our traditional buffalo wings with a little bit of spice behind it, little hot wings. And here we have a garlic Parmesan wing. It's gonna be delicious. So I'm gonna dig in now. It's good.
And it's blue cheese.
We also have a little bit of red hot sauce here, just to add a little bit of spice if you want some more. And on the side, you always have a little bit of blue cheese or ranch, your choice. Just to take the spice down a little bit in case it gets too much for you. Excellent. That is perfect homemade wings right there.
You like?
I love it.
Thank you. Now try the garlic parmesan.
Okay, so just had the traditional buffalo red hot wings here. Really good. Not too spicy. I like it. I'm gonna try the garlic parmesan. It's good. I like that. It's delicious. I like it.
Which one is your favorite? Which one do you like better?
I'm a traditionalist. If my wings don't have a little bit of spice, it feels like it's missing something. So I like the regular hot wings, but these are excellent. If you're not a fan of spice, I love the parmesan.
Thank you. I like the parmesan better.
There's the aftermath. It was delicious. I enjoyed it. I ate a lot of them. I like spicy food. She doesn't like spicy wings. But the Parmesan garlic is really good as well. If you don't like spice, it's a great alternative.
It was really good.
Yeah.
And I ate mine with rice. See?
What an Asian. What an Asian she is over here eating hot wings with rice. Yeah, the Parmesan garlic's excellent. I recommend that as well. So I give it 5 stars on the Hubby rating.
Thank you.